Editing videos used to take hours, cutting, trimming, syncing, adding captions. But now, AI can do most of that automatically. If you're a YouTuber, content creator, or just someone who wants fast, professional edits without paying a cent, this video is for you. Here are 3 free AI tools that can edit your videos automatically. First up, Pika Labs. Originally known for AI video generation, Pika now has a powerful editing feature that lets you modify clips with simple text commands. You can type things like, "Make it brighter, add slow motion," or even, "Change background," and the AI does it instantly. It's perfect for quick cinematic effects, color fixes, or scene transformations, all without timeline editing. Pika is available for free on their website, and you don't need advanced editing skills to use it. Next, we have Runway ML, one of the most popular AI video tools. Runway can remove backgrounds, cut silence, auto-generate subtitles, and even extend your video beyond its original frame, all with one click. Just upload your clip, choose an AI feature, and it does the heavy lifting. The free plan gives you enough credits to test all the major tools, and the interface feels as easy as Canva, but for video. And third, OpusClip. This AI tool automatically turns long videos into short, viral clips for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Reels. You just paste the video link, and Opus finds the most engaging parts, adds captions, emojis, and keeps perfect timing with AI highlights. It's a game changer for content repurposing, especially if you post across multiple platforms. So there you have it, 3 free AI tools that can edit your videos automatically. Whether you want to polish your clips, repurpose old content, or create viral shorts, these tools will save you hours of manual work. Try them out, and let me know in the comments which one impressed you the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI tools that make your creative life easier. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.